Good morning. I'm Dr. Rihanna Stein, and I will be presenting the webinar series for tax accountants. This webinar series is aimed at tax accountants who are Excel proficient in basic Excel skills. Although in the beginning, we will also start introducing some more advanced basic Excel skills for you. And this webinar series will be in 3 modules. This will be a completely hands-on live webinar where I will provide you with exercises and practical activities, which we will do together, and it's completely interactive. And it will be in 3 modules. So module 1 is Excel Essentials for Tax Accountants. And this is where I will show you basic skills and formulas, as well as some shortcuts to make your Excel experience easier. Module 2 is Useful Skills to improve Excel productivity. And here we'll start looking at comparing data sheets. We'll look at HLOOKUPs and VLOOKUPs, and we'll also start looking at financial analysis and looking at interest rates. And lastly, I will also show you how to perform complex calculations with nested lookups and reference functions. And then module 3 is where we'll look at Excel skills to improve forecasting, decision-making, and client reporting. And here we'll start pulling data in from various sources. We'll also create pivot tables as well as graphs so that you can incorporate this into your reporting and forecasting. I'm really looking forward to this webinar series, and I'm excited to see you guys all there. Thank you.